this is the plank to downward dog. This is one of the most critical exercises, in my opinion, if you have shoulder pain. For many people, when they have shoulder pain, reaching overhead is one of the problematic positions. And oftentimes that is a limitation of having not a lot of mobility in the shoulder blade to come out and around and up so that you're getting impingement here. But even more importantly, is if you have that mobility, many people don't have the strength or stability to be able to support that. So just an often easy overlooked exercise is a simple plank to a downward facing dog. Now, the cue that we give is in the plank position. We don't want to be sinking in, which many people do. That's just driving force into the shoulder there, okay? Right? What we want to be able to do is be active in that position. So we're driving through our hands. And then from here, I'm pressing through my palms to push my butt up through the ceiling. Okay. Go as far as you can without causing any pinching or pain. But more times than not, just by going through this simple exercise, we see massive range of motion improvement in terms of also decreasing pain. And range of motion might not just be overhead. We see external, internal rotation improvements as well. Super simple plank downward facing dog.